Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Dangani once again. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to talk about my weekly setups for this week. It's coming week from the 17th April, Monday, up to Friday. So looking at these global rates, we have to check at the interest rate or the interest rates. These are the interest rate, guys. These are the interest rates. You just check here the interest percentage. Interest rate in this table there. So as here you just pay attention to these percentages. These percentages, these percentages, guys, these ones. Just check them. If you want to check for more information on central banks, you just click here and then you check. Okay, and here you have to pay these interest rates and this inflation, guys, as you can see here. So this is the inflation for United States. This one is for inflation for China, Britain, Canada, Germany, Ireland, and Japan. So this is where you just have to look at this percentage and this one. So we don't have too much to check on this one. So we just go and look at let's look at calendar. We start on Monday, guys. Here on Monday we have USD news, Empire State Manufacturing Index. So this is the forecast. The previous one is 24, negative 24. The forecast is negative 17. So if it comes out more than what they forecast, then it will be US dollar. So just get that. I hope you all understand how the calendar works, the Forex Factory calendar works. So if you don't know, I will create a video on Forex Factory calendar only. I will create a video on this whole thing on how to filter the news again. Everything, I will create a video on this. So now let's go ahead and look at the euro. At euro we have ECB. President Lagarde speaks. So that one is on Monday. On Tuesday we have GBP claim and count change at 7 a.m. So we have GBP also. This one is a minor, medium impact, low medium impact is expected. Low medium impact. This one is a high impact. So at 1:30 p.m. we have cut CPI. So you have to watch out for this one on Tuesday. And then on Wednesday we have GBP CPI. We have GBP CPI and we have NZD CPI. And on Thursday we have unemployment claims. This is important if you are trading the USD pairs. So USD unemployment claims. So it's at the previous one is at 239k and the forecast one is 240k. So then on at 4:30 p.m. we've got news again. BOC, Bank of Canada, Mark Claim speaks. On Friday we have GBP. This one is a medium impact news. So we have to focus on euro. If you are trading euro pairs, you have to watch out for this news on Friday. So we have French manufacturing PMI, and we also have news on GBP, which is fresh manufacturing PMI, and we also have CAD. This one CAD is a low medium one. So we have at 2:45 p.m. we have USD news, fresh manufacturing PMI. So yeah, those are the news, upcoming events on for the currency pairs. If you are trading currency pairs, watch out for those ones. So now let's look at the charts. Let's go to the charts, guys. Now looking at DXY is bearish. So as you can see here, price is under the 200 EMA. So we have a break of structure here. So we expect price to tap in this supply zone. These two supply zones. Watch out for these two supply zones. Watch for candlestick pattern. Then that's where price can be best. So there are two supply zones that you have to watch out for. That is on DXY. As you can see, price is below the 200 EMA. DXY. So let's look at the EURUSD. Euro USD prices is bullish. As you can see, we have here break of structure on the, as you can see here, price has been breaking structure on the upwards, and as you can see, prices are above the 200 EMA. So we are only looking for buys here on Euro USD. So now on Monday, you must expect price to pull back in this. Either price will drop and it will tap into this supply zone which is below here, or this one on the extreme one, this demand on the extreme one, which is next to the 200 EMA. 200 EMA. So yeah, that is my view on Euro USD. Either price, you wait for Monday to open, the price to open, and then you wait for price to come back at this supply zone, demand zone, which is here, or this demand zone which is below here, and then you buy. So these are the two scenarios here. Now looking at GBPUSD. GBPUSD also has been bullish. So looking at DXY, as you can see, DXY is on a downtrend, and GBPUSD is on the uptrend. So we are expecting two scenarios here. Either price can open on Monday to break below to grab liquidity at this demand zone which is here, and then we buy, or we can wait for a change of character and then we buy once price came to retest this demand zone which is here, then you buy. If you want to wait for confirmation, you enter here. So or Monday price can just open, go up at this supply zone, then we sell at the supply zone, then we target this demand zone which is here. So that's my view on GBPUSD. So let's look at USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc. As you can see here, prices are below the 200 EMA, and we are only looking for sales here. So there's two possible scenarios here on US Swiss franc. It's either price can open, go up, and reverse in this supply zone which you draw here. You can either enter aggressively, or you wait for price to retest, to give to wait for a change of character here, and then you enter here after price retest this supply zone which is here. So you should target this low. You enter here at this supply, you target this low which is below here. Now let's look at US dollar JPY. US dollar JPY. US dollar JPY. Okay, looking at USDJPY, as you can see here, we are in an uptrend. So I'm not sure if price has a possibility of either coming down below to fill this imbalance which is here, imbalance which is here, or it could just drop. It could just drop this. We just drop because US dollar index is also dropping. Yeah, or we could just enter, then we target this here. Possible scenarios here. Price can just go below, drop below, and then when it drop below, you draw a supply zone which is here, and then you enter when price come back at the supply zone here. You target this low which is here. That's where your target should be, because as you can see, the DXY is also bearish. So this one is bullish, but then in the case of DXY, so you have to look at DXY also, because DXY is bearish and you must expect USDJPY to be bearish also. So our price could just drop on Monday into this demand zone which is here, and then it could rise up. Yeah, that was my view on USDJPY. So just wait for the market to open. Watch how price is reacting around those zones that I draw. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment down below. What are your setups for the whole week, Monday to Friday? All these setups that I have, most of the setups that I have, that I look at, I used to drop them in a Telegram, free Telegram group. The group is for everybody. If you would like to join, you can join for free. You don't have to pay anything. I drop all my setups here in that group, so you can check in the link description below. It's where I drop the link for the group. Yeah. Now looking at let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. Gold has been bullish, guys. It has been breaking structure on the upside. So as you can see here, but on Monday, on Friday, when price opened, when price closed, price closed bearish on gold. So we are expecting gold to drop a bit. Monday it could either rise to tap into this supply zone which is here, then you could sell down targeting this demand zone which is here, and then later on when you see price action at this demand zone, then we buy later. That's my view on gold. That's my view on gold. So I've been getting a lot of nice setups on this gold. So I've got a lot of trades on gold for the past 2 weeks now. So gold has been profitable on me. It has been profitable on my strategy for the whole 2 to 3 weeks. These past weeks I've been buying gold all these areas. So yeah, let's look at now looking at NZD USD. Looking at NZD/USD, it has broke structure on the downside. So here is the third change of character here. It happened here. Change of character. We see a change of character here. We see a change of character here. And there is a pullback. There is a pullback. We went to grab liquidity in this supply zone, which is here, and then we sold here. It would have been a good sell entry here in this area, guys. This would have been a good sell entry. Targeting this low here. So we are waiting for a pullback now on Monday. Monday we are expecting a pullback. So once the pullback is done, and then you can enter at this supply zone here. There's a supply zone which I draw here, so it's where you can enter. Your stop loss should just be above here, and then you target the same here, or you can even target lower, just somewhere there lower. It depends to your risk reward ratio. If your risk reward ratio is 1 to 5 or 1 to 4, 1 to 3, my minimum risk reward ratio is 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. That's my minimum risk reward ratio. So that's my look on that's my view on NZD USD. Now looking at AUD USD, AUD USD, AUD USD, AUD USD. AUD USD, this one has been consolidating around this area, man. And what I can see is either price will rise on Monday and drop back to this supply zone which is here, and then it could buy. That's my view on AUD USD, because the DXY is now bearish. So the change of character happened here. This is where the change of character happened. So this would have been a nice sell here, guys. This would have been a nice sell. You just target this low. Yeah, it would have been a nice sell. But yeah, it would have been a nice sell. So that's my view on AUD USD. I don't have too much on AUD USD because it's too much consolidating too much, so I don't have too much to say on AUD USD. CADJPY. Now looking at CADJPY on the daily, this price has been consolidating around this zone, this supply zone and demand zone. So price went below just to grab liquidity, and then it should pick up. So now we are waiting now. I'm waiting now for price to either give a reaction to this zone which is here, and then we could sell here. We could sell here. We could sell here. We could sell here after price comes back to this, then you enter and sell, then you target this low here. Or if price break this higher, if you break this higher, we wait for price to come back. When it comes back, that is when we can enter a buy. So we target this. We target until here. That's where we target. So it will give us a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So this is my view on CADJPY. CADJPY. Now let's look at USCAD. USCAD. US Canadian dollar. On daily, as you can see, price has been bearish and price is below the 200 EMA. So we are waiting now. We draw these two supply zones, which is above here. So we have the first one and the second one. Price could just break this higher, then just to grab liquidity, and it could sell at this zone. Could sell at this zone, at this supply zone, which is here, and then you put your stop loss here, then you target this low. Or it could just go above until into this supply zone, which is here, and then you could enter a sell after seeing candlestick formation at this zone, at this supply zone, which is above here. Let me just write it nicely. Supply zone, which is here. We have an extreme supply zone, which is here. If price comes at this extreme supply zone, then we sell. So that's my view on USCAD. So now looking at Bitcoin, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been bullish, guys. This shit has been moving up for the past 2 weeks now. For the past 2 weeks ago, Bitcoin has been rising. So as you can see here, Bitcoin has been forming these patterns. I don't normally trade patterns, but as you can see here, you could have entered in at this breakout here. Once you see the breakout, and then you enter a buy at this breakout, and the stop loss is just below here, this candlestick, and then you just target this higher. This is where you would have entered a buy on Bitcoin. So I'm expecting the same thing here. It could either consolidate around this zone. It could either consolidate around this zone, and then it could break out. At the breakout, then you enter a buy here at the breakout, and you put your stop loss below here. So that's my view on Bitcoin. Now let's look at EURJPY. Looking at EURJPY, this price has been breaking structure on the upside. So as you can see here, price on Monday, we are expecting a pullback. So this one could be a deep pullback. If it's a deep pullback, and then you just maybe wait for a change of character here. And then once you see that change of character, you can trade against the trend. You put up a small supply zone here, and then if price makes a change of character here, if price makes a change of character here, you wait for a pullback, and then you sell, targeting this demand zone, which is here. You could enter a buy there, a sell. On Monday, you could enter a sell, or on Tuesday, then you target this demand zone here. So, or you could just wait for a buy. if you want to be on the safer side, on the safe side, you must wait for a buy here, and then you buy at these two supply zone, demand zone, which I draw here. This one, the first one, or this one. So let me just write it down there. Yeah. So that's my view on EURJPY. Now let's look at GBPJPY. GBPJPY has been bullish, as you can see here. Price has been bullish, breaking structure on the upside, making lower high and lower low. Making high and low, higher low. So now we made a new high. So we are expecting to make a new higher low here. So now once price comes here, then we buy. So this is the only way I look at GBPJPY. Now I'm waiting for price to come back at this demand zone. Demand zone here, then I take a buy, targeting this high here. So that's my view on GBPJPY. So market is clear on GBPJPY. It's making higher highs and higher lows, as you can see there. Now let's look at GBPAUD. This one is not a clear market for me. This one. Yeah, as you can see, price is tapped in this GBPAUD. Price tapped in this demand zone, which is here. Price has been breaking structure. Now let me look at the weekly time frame. Now looking at the weekly time frame, as you can see, yeah, price is bullish. Yeah, price is bullish on GBPAUD. So price can either drop here at this. Price can either drop and then it could buy. So price can either drop and then we can buy here at this demand zone, which is here, targeting this high here. So we put a stop loss below this level there. So that's my view on GBPAUD. Let's look at EURGBP. Euro British Pound, EURGBP. So looking at the EURGBP, I don't necessarily trade patterns, but as you can see here, there is a possibility of price dropping. There's a possibility of price dropping for EURGBP. So this is my setup on EURGBP. You enter here and stop loss should be at this above this higher there, and then you target this low. So that is my view on EURGBP. Looking at GBPUSD, 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 GBPUSD. I had a nice trade on GBPAUD the other day, so yeah, and it has been breaking structure on the upside. So price is above the 200 EMA, and as you can see here, price breaks structure here, price broke structure here. As you can see, guys, not all the zones will be respected, guys. Some of the zones, they will not be respected. So you have to check. You have to draw 2 or 3 zones that you know that a price here will react at this zone. Don't just look at one zone, otherwise you will miss out on trades. You must at least have 2 zones that you know a price will tap in and then it will react in that zone. As you can see here, we made a change of character here, a break of structure here, and then now what I see is a reaction around this zone, or price can just go back. Price can just go back up. It just drop and then it go down. Or there is this other scenario of price could just open and then it could go up, and then you could sell there. So we enter a sell targeting this low here. So that is my view on GBPUSD, GBPUSD, GBPUSD. This one is a high probability trade, guys. It's a high probability trade. You just enter here, or you just wait for price, how price will react on Monday, because I know price will either go up a bit and then it will buy, it will sell. So that's what I check, that's what I view on GBPUSD. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment down below. I would like to know what are your setups for this week. There are certain pairs that I didn't include in this video, but you can drop down. If you have any setups that I didn't discuss in this video, you can drop it down in the comment section so that you can also discuss about it in the next video. Yeah. So join my free Telegram. It's for free, guys. It's where I drop my setups every day or every week. All the trades that I take, I drop them in the Telegram group. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything. It's for free, guys. So bye, guys. Have a good week. USDCAD has been bullish, guys. It has been bullish, as you can see here. Price is above the 200 DMA. So there are two areas that we draw here. There is this one and this demand zone, which is here, and there is this one. So we are watching for price now for these two zones. You can even take a sell from here on Monday or Tuesday, and then you target this low. You target this low here, this demand here, because I can see price might make might reverse at this zone, at this demand zone, which is here, or it could just go drop until into this higher demand zone, which is here, because there's a strong demand zone which is here. There's a demand zone which is here at this level, a higher demand. This one is a minor demand, so a price could either react to this zone or this one. So you check, man. You check which one are you interested in. So I'm interested in these two zones. So I'm just watching at these two zones. That is next week, because this thing can move, yo. USDT can move. I'm looking at that zone, at those two zones. Yeah, I'm just looking at this two zones here. Those are the two zones that I'm looking at. Now let's look at NAS 100. NAS 100 has been consolidating, guys. That thing has been consolidating around this area, and I don't know now which area to take a trade from, unless if it breaks out. If price break out of this, it breaks out to grab liquidity at this area, and then I will be interested in a buy. So I could target this high here. Or if price breakout, Monday price breakout, then it comes back to retest the same zone, and then I could buy here. I could buy here. So these are my tools, because this zone there is liquidity above this area and there is liquidity below this area. So you must watch out for these two areas. So guys, bye guys. These are all my setups for this week. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment down below, guys. Comment down below. I'm not selling any courses. I don't sell any signals. I have a free Telegram group where I drop all my trade setups. All my trade setup are dropped in that group. It's free, guys. It's for free, guys. You can join for free. You don't have to pay anything. It's where I drop my trades, guys. It's my setups, guys. Be part of the group. You don't have to pay anything. So like the video, share the video, comment down below. What are your setups for this week? We are all here to learn from each other. I could learn from you, even though I've been in the market for many years now. Let me say almost 3 years now. So I can also learn from you. There could be a setup that I didn't look at it, so you can drop it down below. Drop it down below in the comment section so that I can check it. So bye guys. This is my Instagram. I don't sell anything, guys. I don't sell courses. I don't sell forex signals. I don't do mentorship. I don't do investment, guys. This is my original page, Instagram page, guys. As you can see here, check nicely. This is my Instagram page. I don't post fancy things. I only post the charts. I don't post those fancy things, fancy cars, fancy watches, fancy phones, and other stuff. I only post charts. I only post my chart works, guys. So, yeah, this is my Instagram page, guys. If you see those fake ones, if you see someone inboxing me, I don't inbox people. I don't inbox people. I don't send people messages. Guys, I don't. If you see any fake pages that is maybe pretending to be me, guys, I'm not that. This is my only page, Instagram page, guys. Yeah, this is my Telegram channel, guys. This is my Telegram group. You can join for free. You won't pay anything to be part of this group, guys. I drop my trades, every trades that I take, every trade setup that I take. I used to drop it in the group here. This group is for free. You can join for free. You don't have to pay anything. All the trade setups, guys, all the trade setups, I used to drop them here in our group. Group is for free. Be part of the group. So I'm trying to create a big community for us. You don't have to pay anything to be part of this group. You don't.